Good morning, children. So, today we are going to do a quick revision of chapter number 3, Rani's first day at school. In that, we are going to cover a topic that is explanation of the chapter, discussion of notes, and few grammar exercises which we have already done in your student book. So, let us begin with the story that is on page number 33, Rani's first day at school. So there is one girl whose name is Rani. She is going to the school for the very first time with her mama. Mama holds Rani's hand very tightly and Rani tells her mama that mama, now I am grown up. Please let go. Let go. But mama holds her hand very tightly. When she reached to the school gate, she saw so many children near her, and some of the children are coming by car, some of them are coming by bus, some of them are coming by cycle, some are coming on vehicle, and few children are walk like her. When she reached to the gate, her mama let go of her hand. She is walking alone inside the school, and when she turned back, she saw that her mama gets smaller as she walked away, and thinking that will she disappear, means will she go or will she vanish? Then she go back to her mama and hugged her and tell that mama, please don't go away. Now everyone is inside the school, only she is outside with her mama. At that time, one of the teacher come and she gives smile to Rani, and Rani also gives smile back to teacher. At that time, mama says that Rani, I will be here when you come out. And she waves to mama and Rani run inside, and mama will be there after the school. So likewise we have learned the whole story very nicely on the basis of the picture. Now let us discuss hard words of this chapter. So our words are, first word is first, F-I-R-S-T, first. First means coming before all other. Second is M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, means a female parent. Third is H-O-L-D-I-N-G, holding, means something or keep him her it in your hand. Fourth is walking, W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking, means to go somewhere by putting on foot in front of other on the ground. Fifth is grow, G-R-O-W, grow, means to increase in size. Sixth is children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children, means a young boy or girl. Seventh is rickshaw, R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw, three-wheeler vehicle. Eighth is cycle, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle, it is a two-wheeler vehicle. Ninth is reach, R-E-A-C-H, reach, means to arrive at a place. Next are stay, S-T-A-Y, stay, means to be somewhere and not go away. Then 11th is alone, A-L-O-N-E, alone, means without any other person. 12th is another, A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another, means one or more person or thing of the same kind. 13 is disappear, D-I-S-A-P-P-E-R, Disappear means impossible to see or find. 14th is wave. W-A-V-E-S. Waves means to move your hand from side to side. 15th is school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School means a place where children go to be educated. 16th is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday means a day of a week after Sunday. Then 17th is uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform means a set of clothes worn by group of people, usually a school children. You all are also wearing a uniform. Yes? So that is called uniform. 8th is storybook. Means a book which contains a collection of stories. Then 19th is lunchbox. L-U-N-C-H-B-O-X box. Means a container in which we packed meal. So this is what our hard words. Now it's time to discuss a question answer. So let us begin with the question and answer. So our first question is, how do the children come to school? Now think children, how do the children come? So the children come by bus, they come by car, they come by rickshaw, they cycle and they walk. So our answer is the children come by bus, they come by car, they come by rickshaw, they cycle and they walk. Second question is, why do you think Rani asks Mama to let go of her hand? Why Rani is telling her Mama that let go of her hand? Because Rani asked Mama to let go of her hand because she feels like a big girl now. She is thinking that she is now big. So our answer is, Rani asked Mama to let go of her hand because she feels like a big girl now. Now, question number 3. What happened at gate? Answer is, Mummy lets go of Rani's hand at the gate. What did Mummy do at the gate? Mummy let go of her hand. So answer is, Mummy lets go of Rani's hand at the gate. Now, another grammar exercise from your student book, that is, join the sentence using and. So, our first sentence is, I have an ice cream, I have a balloon. So, how we write the answer to join these two sentences? With the help of and. So, our answer is, I have an ice cream and balloon. I have an ice cream and balloon. Second is, Riya is 6 years old. She is going to school. Now these two sentences are different. Like first is Riya is 6 years old and second she is going to school. So how can we join with the word and? So our answer is, Riya is 6 years old and she is going to school. Now, another exercise from your student book is that read these naming words, then make a sentence using them. Here I have given the picture and you have to use that naming word into your sentence. So see, the first picture is, wow, it's so yummy. So what is this, children? This is an ice cream. Yes. So make a sentence in which we have used the word ice cream. So you can write anything. First of all, describe this picture. What is this? So this is an ice cream. So that is also your one sentence. Yes, so our first sentence is this is an ice cream. Second, how does it look? What is the color? So you can also write the color of ice cream is white and pink. Third is I love ice cream very much. You can make any sentences. Ice cream is cold. Okay, likewise you can make any sentence. Then the second picture is this. What is this, children? These are balloons. Yes. So these are balloons. So in this picture you can see balloon, and we have used the word balloon in the sentence. These are balloons. Second is the balloons are flying in the sky. That is also right. And let us describe the color. The color of balloons are blue, yellow and red. So I hope you understand all these things very clear. Now children, whatever the work is left, please finish it so we can do more practice of this chapter. Now next time we are going to do a reading of this chapter. So be ready and take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Goodbye.